In Cosmos, ATOM, Cost Forecast 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, REvil, and other data about Atom to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. Cosmos, ATOM, current market status as indicated by, the cost of Cosmos, ATOM, is $14.09 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $641,471,318 at the hour of composing. Nonetheless, Atom has expanded by almost 9.5% as of now. Besides, Cosmos, ATOM, has a coursing supply of 292,586,163 Atom. At present, Cosmos, ATOM, exchanges cryptographic money trades like Binance, OKX, MEXC, Deepcoin, and Bybit. What is Cosmos, ATOM? The Cosmos is a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains, each determined by BFT agreement calculations like the Tendermint agreement. At the end of the day, the Cosmos is a climate of blockchains that can quantify and work on one another. Prior to the Cosmos, the blockchains were quiet and couldn't speak with one another. They were difficult to create and could deal with few exchanges each second. Cosmos takes care of these issues with another innovative vision. To comprehend this vision, we really want to return to the rudiments of blockchain innovation. The above outline of Atom laid an ascending triangle. The rising triangle is a trademark example of a continuous bullish pattern. This triangle is framed by a flat upward trendline that associates the highs and the lower trendline that interfaces the rising lows. If the pattern breaks out at the opposition level, the cost will keep on climbing in this climbing triangle design. At present, Cosmos, ATOM, is in the scope of $11.16 on the off chance that the example proceeds. The cost of Atom could arrive at the obstruction levels of $12.494 and $20.443. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of Atom might tumble to $7.464 and $6.038. The diagrams show that Cosmos, ATOM, has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Atom could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $25.337. As needs be, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Cosmos, ATOM, could plunge to nearly $5.927, a negative sign. Cosmos, ATOM, Value Forecast 2022, REvil, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of Cosmos, ATOM, is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. As of now, the REvil of Atom lies beneath the end line, demonstrating powerless members in the latest thing. Additionally, the moving normal, MAMA, of Cosmos, ATOM, is displayed in the diagram above. Remarkably, Cosmos, ATOM, cost lies on the 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in an upturn. Presently, Atom has entered a bullish state. Thusly, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Atom whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength list, RSI, of the Atom is 47.11. This implies that Cosmos, ATOM, is in an almost oversold state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of Atom might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Cosmos, ATOM, Value Forecast 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional file, ADX, of Cosmos, ATOM. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Cosmos, ATOM. At present, the ADX of Atom lies in the scope of 15.432 and consequently, it shows a frail pattern. The above graph additionally addresses the overall instability list, RVI, of Cosmos, ATOM. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Atom lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Cosmos, 80OM, is at 47.11, consequently affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of Atom with BTC, ETH. The beneath diagram shows the cost correlation between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and Cosmos, 80OM. From the above graph, we can decipher the value changes of ETH and Atom are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Atom likewise increments or diminishes individually. Cosmos, 80OM, Value Forecast 2023. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Cosmos, 80OM, could most likely achieve $40 by 2023. Cosmos, 80OM, Value Expectation 2024. With a few updates in the organization, Cosmos, 80OM, could enter a bullish direction. In the event that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Atom could energize to hit $45 by 2024. Cosmos, 80OM, Value Forecast 2025. If Cosmos, 80OM, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Atom would energize to hit $50. Cosmos, 80OM, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Cosmos, 80OM, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Atom would mobilize to hit $55. Cosmos, 80OM, Value Forecast 2027. If Cosmos, 80OM, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Atom would revitalize to hit $60. Cosmos, 80OM, Value Forecast 2028. If Cosmos, 80OM, holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, Atom would hit $65 in 2028. Cosmos, 80OM, Value Expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cosmos, 80OM, it would observe significant spikes. Atom could hit $70 by 2029. Cosmos, 80OM, Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Cosmos environment, the